Considering you are all warmed up, we are going to do a series of 10 exercises in this video. You may perform each exercise for a minute with the rest of 20 seconds in between, or each exercise for 30 seconds with the rest of 10 seconds in between. Choose the time as per your strength and comfort. You may pause the video and continue the exercise that matches your time. Let's go to our first exercise, which is a dynamic form of stretch exercise for the hip joint. Remember to perform this exercise at a point of challenge. Pushing yourself beyond the challenge might kill the enjoyment. Our second exercise will help you strengthen your core and stabilize your posture. Remember to sync the exercise with your respiration, which means you exhale when you exert the force. In this exercise, we exhale while we lift our arms and legs together. Our third exercise is the most popular exercise, which has numerous benefits, engaging the longest and the largest muscle group of the body. It can increase your working and resting metabolism. It is our partial squats. If doing partial squats are challenging for you, as shown in the video, a chair or a bench might help you with the balance. On the other hand, if it's too light, you may add weights or perform full squats. Our fourth exercise is one of the trending exercises of 2023, which can stretch your pectoral girdle and strengthen your glutes. A toned chest, lower back with a perfect posture may result following this exercise regularly. If you have a problem with your wrist or shoulders, you may perform it this way. Exhaling while you lift your hip up will get you in rhythm. Be ready to further challenge your upper body in our fifth exercise, which is push-up to rabbit. The exercise works your upper body while you push your body off the floor and stretches your back while you're going towards your heel. Be mindful of the range if you have knee problem. You may perform the rabbit pose partially to keep the movement going. Our sixth exercise might provide a bit of relaxation to your arms as you are lying on your back and performing the spinal twist with your legs. As shown in the video, keep your knees tucked in to engage your abdomen. Keeping your upper body on the ground will provide you a better movement and engagement of the muscle. Our seventh exercise needs no introduction or explanation, as it has been a favorite of all fitness enthusiasts. Full body strength, a good posture, strong core muscle, balance and coordination are few of the many benefits this exercise can provide. As shown in the video, keep engaging your core with deep exhalations. Keep in mind our discussion about the challenge and the push, and keep enjoying the exercise. As shown in the video, in our 8th exercise, we will perform one of the 7 basic movements of the body. Rotation. This exercise can help work your obliques, stretch your mid-back and strengthen your core. Keep your arms above your chest and elbows straight throughout the exercise to provide a quality range to the core muscles. Now let's switch to the other side and perform the same movement. Be observant about the range on both sides and stride towards making them even. I hope you are not tired, as our ninth exercise is a bit demanding. As shown in the video, we will get into a pike position and touch our toes with the opposite hand. With this movement, we will engage deepest layer of transverse abdominis. Exhaling every time you bring your hand to the toe will help you maintain a challenging pike position throughout the exercise. The last exercise might help you actively recover from our previous exercise, as we will be performing the side crunches in a supine position. If you want to further challenge your core, lift your body into an ab crunch position and then perform the side crunches. If you are planning for a 45 minutes workout session, you may do another round of the circuit. In this way, an hour of session will take 3 rounds. Being active is a way of life, and performing the same exercise paves the way for the body to understand the movement and become stronger. We request you practice this exercise on alternate days for 21 sessions for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the session, do like, subscribe and share with others.